Welcome to Industrial Ventilation for spring of 2025. My name is Professor Raina Brown, and I'm so excited to have you join us in this section. I'd like to take a little bit of time to share with you about the course overview and show you some key elements within Blackboard that are important for your success in the class. So first things first, thank you so much for a successful completion of week one. We had very robust participation in the discussion board, high level of participation in the class, so thank you very much. If you have not already done so, please navigate your way to start here and validate your enrollment. This is important for the university to know that you are participating in the course, and one of the very first things that needs to be done in order to communicate that to the university. So thank you very much for doing that. I'd also like to share some key areas with you. So announcements are going to be one of the primary ways that I will be communicating with you. Our overview announcement for the course design went out upon the initiation of the course. It gives you just high-level overview, which is also covered in our course schedule as well as our course syllabus, but wanted to make sure I pointed this out. One quick note, I do recommend that you reach out to me via email. I strive to respond within 24 to 48 hours, sometimes sooner, and thank you very much for your communication as needed. Week over week, you will see announcements in relation to course expectations. Typically, we will have a discussion board. There will be chapter materials for you to review. There will be a unit quiz. And so just wanted to show you kind of how that's laid out. There will also be announcements that go out in relation to the quizzes. If you experience any technical difficulties, please email me and let me know. I'm very happy to work with you. And then again, week over week, you'll see a very similar format where we have a weekly summary as well as a weekly unit quiz reminder. Now I'd like to show you the course information. Please review the course schedule as soon as possible. This will give you an overview of the course and alert you around expectations. So for the first half of the course, it will be theoretical in nature. We'll review the history of industrial ventilation, talk about specific types of ventilation such as dilution, LEV, local exhaust, talk about hood design and selection, air cleaning devices, etc. And then after the midterm, we will pivot to laboratory exercises. So there will be 7 laboratory exercises. There are 2 examinations in the course and one right before the spring break, and then one during finals week due by May 7th. So just wanted to point that out to you. Please let me know if you have any questions in relation to the schedule. In addition to that, there's the course syllabus, which is available for your review. Please let me know if you have any questions in relation to that. Course documents will provide you all of the information that you need for the course. There is no textbook. All that you need will be provided to you. Week over week, please review the unit and go over the PDF that's provided, as well as additional content that's shared. In addition to that, there are the assignments tab. Assessments is where you will find the quizzes and exams, and then writing assignments will be where you will submit your lab reports in the second half of the course. Discussions are a key element of the course, and again, thank you to everyone for finding your way here. We've had robust participation in the introductory discussion board. Really appreciate the correspondence, and then there's been strong participation in Unit 1. So please go in week over week and ensure that you provide a primary posting that is robust. Definitely recommend that you add in citations as appropriate. Thank you to those who have done that. And then reply to a peer in the form of a peer review. This is a response to one of your colleagues in response to the posting that they have provided. Definitely recommend that you hit spell check before you submit any of your work into Blackboard. Just ensure that you present and provide professional level communications at all time. If you have any questions in relation to the discussion board, please let me know. But week over week, you will see the discussion board populate. And again, the expectation is that you go in, you provide a primary post, and then you provide a colleague with a peer review. And I will be providing feedback to you in the form of a grade, which you can find in your gradebook. Again, this is a high-level overview of the course. If you have any questions, again, I'm available via email. My email is rdbrown@ucmo.edu. Thank you again for your participation. I wish you a very productive semester, and I'm available at any time to support you. Thank you so much, and take care.